Hi, this is Nikhil from Team Microelectronics, and in today's video we will make keypad based door locking system with BitBlocks. So to make this project you need in and out block, Arduino Uno, keypad module, a servo motor, power block, lamp block, servo driver, 9-volt battery, connector, a collection of jumper wires. So let's make it. Firstly we will connect a connector with 9-volt battery, then we will connect it with power block. Using two jumper wires we will now give power to Arduino Uno deployment board. So guys, now we will connect keypad module with Arduino Uno deployment board. Guys, there is no need to worry about connection. I will provide you the circuit diagram. Also, if you want to learn robotics in easy way, then BitBlocks will be the right choice for you. Go and check out BitBlocks. So guys, here is the circuit diagram for this project. You can simply connect modules and blocks by just following this circuit diagram. So now we will connect servo motor with the Arduino Uno. So first connect the servo motor with the servo driver. Then using some jumper wires give power using in and out block to it. And at last connect the lamp block in parallel with the servo driver. It's time to make opening and closing mechanism. So I took a metal board and paste the switch on it using double-sided tape. Then I took a metal wire and connect with it to control the switch using servo motor. Then I paste the servo motor in this way so it can open and close the switch easily. So after completing this part, it looks like this. So guys, now it's a time to upload the code to Arduino. So here we have defined the correct password. So when you enter the correct password, it will open the door, and the delay. Guys, you can download this code from BitBlocks app. So just go and download the BitBlocks app now. So now we will upload the code to Arduino. So first select the right port and board. Then we will upload the code to Arduino. Guys, you can see that the uploading is now done. So now it's a time to test the project. So let me first enter the correct password. Oh, it's working. So when you enter the correct password, it will open the door. In my case, the password is 1379. And when you enter the wrong password, it will not open the door. So guys, you can see that this is how this project is going to work. So when you again enter the correct password, it will open the door. So you can see that this is how you can make a keypad based door locking system with BitBlocks. Guys, participate in TechFest Young Inventor program. If you win the competition, you will get lot of prize and the amount of 50,000 rupees.